This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the perfume box. So I have already put together the bottom box. It's going to assemble the same way this one will. It's basically the same way this one will. We've got the neck of our bottle, the stopper, and then the bottle itself. Okay. And I have already adhered all of the panels. And now I'm just going to put this label here on the front. You can stamp a sentiment on this, cut out a label to put on it, print something on it, whatever you want it to say. You can name the perfume or have a message for whomever you're making the box for. You just want to center that right on there. Okay, and now for the neck, I'm just going to close this up. And this is going to connect here and here. So I think it will be easier to put it on here first before connecting it to the bottom box. So you're just going to glue these tabs down. Make sure you're doing it on the inside of your lid. Now, I suppose you could just fold the tabs down, if I can get them to fold down, and then just glue that straight on, but I am using the tabs and connecting it. Either way will work. There's no wrong or right way. So then we're just going to, you're going to fold this on all the score lines. And then just start gluing this in place. Okay. You just have to work around this a little bit. I'm going to fold these back out before I glue this down so that I don't pull it apart doing that. Okay, and close it up. And you're just going to hold this for a few seconds, let that glue grab on. If you're using a quick dry glue, just a few seconds. We just want that to grab there. And there it is. There is the cap. Now I'm just going to go ahead and slide this in here. And glue this in place. I really wanted a perfume bottle, and looking around at all the different shapes, and surprisingly enough, the shape of a Chanel bottle is just a square. Okay. So that makes this pretty quick to put together, as you can see. And then we're just going to close it up. Now the bottom of the box is the same as this, just no lid attached to the bottom, obviously. So you can identify the top from the bottom because of the hole there in the top. We're just going to square that up. There it is. Quick and simple, and you have a really cute little gift box. Thank you for joining me.